Brings me to the point now of the Democrats and the Republicans. You know, we want to get a little, not controversial, but let's get realistic.
Yes.
Do you think a lot of Democrats out there are supporting Muslims because the Democrats lost?
No, I think the Democrats are supporting Muslims just because they want the votes. Honestly, I don't think it's...
You know, let's be real.
I don't think it's about values. I don't think it's about anything.
No, there are some of them who would,
Sure.
who have been always before.
Sure.
Now, they are Democrats.
Correct.
Who have always been friends of Muslims.
Agreed.
Worked together. And that's the point. I love that point you made. You see, as a lawyer, you could look at things because you're designed to look at the fine points. Lawyers were designed. You want to get something done, take it to your lawyers. They will look at the fine points. I like that point. They were there, they were friends, interfaith, community, co-workers. Boom, suddenly Democrats lost and Democrats have become the best of friends with Muslims.
That's right.
Because Trump have been putting Muslims down.
That's right.
So Democrats are like, come on guys, be our friends, we're your friends. And the whole campaign about Muslim ban, the Democrats were making that so loud that I'm like, what is going on?
But it's incredible. 3-4 years ago, the same thing with the media, right? The national media, Muslims by majority were saying the national media is anti-Muslim. And now the same media people, not just the organizations, but the same actual media people are now all of a sudden pro-Muslim.
Yeah. Do you see how they operate?
And and we don't see that. We fall over ourselves to
Our
try
Muslims
to get to them.
need to be vigilant.
Correct.
You know, like when Trump made this statement against Muslims and the ban, man, the national media were all over him.
Yes.
Excellent.
Yes.
When Trump decided to choose Saudi Arabia to be the first Muslim country to go to, you didn't hear not much about it.
That's right. That's right.
You don't hear not much about it. The Muslim country President Trump chose to be the first country.
His first visit overseas was a Muslim country, and he wasn't just addressing Saudi. There were at least 30 other Muslim leaders there. And he's addressing basically the Muslim world.
Yes.
And
media was like, you had to Google that. It passed through like a flip news. Boom.
Correct.
You see why Muslims, and I mean as a lawyer, let's be alert.
Yes.
You need, the communities need, and that's what Engage needs to tell people, always be alert.
Yes.
Where there is the need, you do what you have to do, but do not get fooled.
Correct.
Do not get trapped, whether it be the Republicans. And, you know, I think that Muslims need to be involved in both parties.
100%. And honestly, that's why I'm
They've
involved.
got to be involved.
I'm actually a Republican.
Because Republicans, and that's good. Congratulations.
That's why I'm involved, to be honest.
When I look at Republicans,
Yes.
and you know, I speak very fair and very clear out there.
Yes.
Republicans got a lot of interesting values.
Yes.
Which really contributes more for the value of this community and this country. Not just Muslims,
Agreed.
people.
Agreed.
Democrats are more humanitarian. They're loving, they're nice, they're really good. And I both got their dynamism and they're good, like everything else. But Muslims got to be very careful. They don't play the wrong game.
We can't continue to be naive.
Yes, because they have always done that in the past. You go big block vote with Republican, you come back Democrat. Make up your mind.
Yes.
Get a few people involved.
Yes.
Jews and Christians doing it. And I'm not saying anything wrong. Jews and Christians do that.
Absolutely.
Whichever party wins, Jews got people there in Congress. Whichever party wins, Christians got people there.
100%.
Why is it if a Republican win, Muslims are like losers? Or if Democrats wins, Muslims are like losers in Bush days or in Obama?
Yes.
How long are we going to play that game?
Exactly right. No, that